Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you 10 hidden features on this device. Okay, first I'm going to show you how you can pin your favorite apps in your apps list, so you'll be able to find them quickly. To launch the app list, we need to click on our crown, and now we have our list. Now to change the position of your apps, let's say we are using calculator really often and we don't like to scroll each time to the bottom to find it, so simply hold on the icon, then slide it to the upside, now release, and as you can see, now the calculator has been placed on the top, and thanks to that we'll be able to find it quickly. Next thing are the smart replies to our notifications. To do it, we need to go into our HUAWEI Health app on our device, on our phone. Let me show you. I will adjust the zoom a little. Alright, and now open up the app, go into devices, click on your watch, scroll down, and in here, down below, we have quick replies. That's the thing that I wanted to show you. And in here, if one of the apps will send you the notification, I will show you which apps can show you to send you notifications. Go back, click on notifications, enable them, and in here, for example, we have messages and the WhatsApp. And if we will receive the message from one of those apps in quick replies, when we go right in here we have a list of quick replies that will appear on our watch, and we'll be able to simply click and reply really quick. If you want, of course, you can delete some of those sentences and add more if you want. Click on OK, and now it has been added. That's the second thing. And now I'll place my phone next to me because it won't be necessary. Alright, next thing is possibility to use the always on display feature. Open up your settings, go into display and brightness, and here we have always on display mode. If you want, you can enable it. Remember that this will reduce your battery life. Click on continue, and now the always on display feature is enabled. Next thing are those things down below, those gestures. Raise to show AOD, or raise to show watch face. So simply, if you are holding your hand steady just like that, and when you will lift up your hand, one of those modes will launch. Everything depends on what you have selected. Okay, another feature are down in here, tap to wake and raise to wake. You can simply select the mode that you want to use. If you tap on the screen when it's off, it will simply be turned on, and same thing with the raise to wake. When you will raise your wrist, the watch will also be turned on. Pretty cool thing. Alright, next thing is the down button shortcut right in here. In here we have that button, and we can select a shortcut for this. In the settings, find down button, and now we can select the action. When you will press once, you can select which app will launch quickly. So for now, let's, for example, select, I don't know what, maybe the Stay Fit. And now when we are wearing our watch and when we click the down button right in here, you can see that the app has been quickly launched. It's really cool because we don't need to, each time open up the app list and in here search for our app. We can simply add it into our shortcut and it will be launched immediately. Pretty cool thing. Okay, also we have the water drain option. For example, when we are after a shower, or when our hand gets really wet when we are watching our watch, it gets wet, we can perform a water drain. To do it, slide to the upside, just like that, and find the drain function. Now it's draining the water, and now the process has been ended. Now we need to simply shake our watch to help the water get out. Pretty cool thing. Okay, next thing is possibility to adjust each workout in the workout mode. So for example, if you want to add a new workout, simply scroll to the downside and click on add. And now from this list you can select the workout that you want to use. So let's say CrossFit, click on OK. It should be now somewhere around here. Okay, and when you click on that, then when you start it, you can also go to the downside to see more information about your workout. You can also open up the settings if you click the crown, and in here you can enable the mistouch prevention. You have the auto lock screen right in here. Screen will be locked during workouts. It can be unlocked by pressing and holding the crown. And we also have the auto lock crown. Crown won't respond during workouts. It can be unlocked by pressing and holding the crown. Below we have the reminders. We can select the interval for our workout and enable the heart rate. Below we have the training stress that we can enable or disable. And down below we have the general settings. We can select always on feature, select the workout broadcast, select the shortcut, and also enable recovery heart rate. For now, let's pause it. Okay. Now let me show the flashlight customization that we can use. But before that, I will add it into the down button shortcut. So I'll select press once, and I want to find the flashlight. Press once. Okay, it has been added. I'll click the down button, and now when it comes to the customization of our flashlight, simply slide to the upside. We can change the color of our flashlight and also select the flash mode, none, fast, or the slow. Also, when it comes to the flashlight itself, we can adjust its brightness by simply scrolling up or down on our crown to adjust the brightness level. Okay, another cool thing is the breathing exercise tool. To find it, you can click on your crown, then scroll down, it's this icon, and in here you can simply, if you are stressed for example, you can perform that breathe test. You can launch one of the modes, and remember that your watch needs to be on your hand if you want to try this feature. This can help you, for example, if you are stressed, to steady up your breath. Okay, and the last thing that I want to show you is the SOS emergency. But first I need to find it. I think it will be in the settings. Yeah, emergency SOS. And in here we can enable the fall detection. Thanks to that, the automatic call will be made for emergency help when a fall is detected. You can click on more to see more information, and also you need to add the emergency contact. You can click on that, and to do it we need to open it up in our app. I'll show you that. To do it, go into health, or go, yeah, my bad, go into me, and in here we should be able to add that emergency contact. First I need to find it actually, it's a little bit hidden, maybe it will be in the health. It was somewhere around here. I need to find it once again. Alright, my bad. Go into me, go into the profile, I have found it. Now emergency information, and in here we can add the emergency contacts. Then if you add that contact, the person that you add will be informed that something happened to you, and this person will know that you might need some help. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.